Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. Today I'm making pizza. We have barbecue chicken, Canadian bacon, cheese, peppers, onion, tomatoes, and pineapples. Let's do it. Okay, everything is already prepared. I'm using the ready-made, pre-made pie crust. That's the cheese I'm using. Velveeta, white cheese. And I'm using these 2 cookie sheets. Okay, right here I lost, oh my word, I lost some of the footage. I thought the camera was on and it wasn't. So I'm so sorry about that. What I did was I rolled the dough out in the cornmeal. So at the bottom of the pan is cornmeal. This is about 15 minutes later at 350 degrees. Look at that. Look at that. Better than takeout. And immediately following the removal from the oven, I brushed the edges with garlic butter. And that really set it off. Look at that. Oh, my family had a feast. They enjoyed this. I didn't use any tomato sauce. Instead of the tomato sauce, I used the barbecue sauce. So that's what I did. And these were so good. Try some for your family today. Make them happy. Try something different. This is pizza. We're having pizza tonight here on Melda 242. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. Please follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Threads. God bless you. God bless you. And I'll see you in the next one.